A non-stick surface that you can use these and still brown beautifully. Things like cinnamon roll, sugary, this can just peel up and get Let me ask you another little gift for Dad. You know what I would do? I'd package up maybe the knife set from the Cinda Scout plan on today's special value with these mats under $40, and you're giving somebody true summer cooking essentials. You need knives, but look at this. You can totally have a griddle. You can, but you know, you can get really.
Look at the grill marks. Show that side of that steak real quick, Mare. Look at how you're not losing anything by using one of these non-stick mats. You're still getting the grilling. You're still getting the flavor. You're still getting that caramelization on those mats, but you don't have as much mess. You don't have the flare-ups. You don't have the burnt charring. You know, the ones where your kids are like, I don't want the hot dog with the black stuff on it. Now you don't have to worry about that. And at the end of the night, the cleanup of the grill is take the mats in, wash them with warm soapy water, and they're ready to be used the next time.
Well, that's exactly it. I mean, I was overzealous with the cheese here just to prove a point. You see the cheese all over this mat. Well, if I wanted to, I could wait for that to burn. But look at the cleanup of this mat.
It's great.
This cleanup is no problem at all. Of course, the towel's not going to be quite
the
so
towel's
happy
not going to be
later.
happy.
But look at that. That is a cleanup that you can make. You know, makes you feel happy, and you know it's not going to be a big problem here on the grill afterwards.
So listen, this is another great item to consider if you do go camping. You go to parks where you have grills there, and you don't know what's been on the grill before you were there. Use these mats. You can cut them to size, to shape. Cut them in strips, cut them in rounds.